Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, we are students of second semester of Diploma in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. We are 3 members in group number 2, Pranav Bhargude, Sania Khan and including me. Also our guide who helped to work this project is Sonali Navle ma'am. Thank you for the guidance. We are presenting temperature control fan using LM393 index. First introduction, second components, third circuit diagram, fourth working principle, fifth advantages and last one sixth application. I am going to introduce the temperature control fan using LM393. So, temperature control DC fan is a temperature based fan. It can cool the device by operating a DC fan. Its operation is fully automatic and turns off when the temperature returns normal. These components we are use temperature control DC fan using LM393 circuit. Resistor, variable resistor, PC547 transistor, NTC thermistor, LM393 op-amp, DC fan and voltage supply. LM393 is an operational amplifier. It acts as a comparator. It compares two input voltages at pin 2 and 3. The output of LM393 collects at pin 1. Transistor is used as a switch to control fan. Voltage supply used to run the circuit. Circuit diagram. This circuit shows temperature control DC fan. This circuit we are using NTC thermistor, then operational amplifier, variable resistor VR and transistor. DC fan DC supply voltage is given to the operational amplifier as well as transistor, and we are going to control the on and off of DC fan by using operational amplifier and NTC thermistor. This is the working principle of the circuit. We start for the simulation. So most important is LM393 comparator. LM393 is a Joule comparator. The pin numbers we see that the pin number 3, that is non-inverting terminal, and pin number 2 inverting terminal. Pin number 1 is the output terminal, pin number 8 is VCC and pin number 4 is ground. These are input and output specifications of the comparator. Comparator means which compares two voltage levels between pin 2 and pin 3. This IC LM393 it's work independently to provide its own output, but this circuit uses only one operational amplifier. NTC thermistor is used that if temperature increases, resistance decreases. So temperature then resistance value decreases. So this voltage is given to the operational amplifier. Inverting terminal, that means pin number 2, R3 means resistor 3, and NTC thermistor from in the voltage divider circuit which provides the voltage regarding the temperature to the inverting terminal of op-amp. Now when the temperature is increases, then resistance of thermistor decreases and the voltage at non-inverting terminal of op-amp become higher than the inverting terminal. So the op-amp output pin number 1 will become high and transistor will be on. Now this condition of NPN transistor allows the fan to start. As the thermistor returns to the normal condition, the fan will automatically turns off. Here NTC thermistor is used that if temperature increases, then resistance decreases. So temperature then resistance value decreases. So this voltage is given to the operational amplifier, that's inverting terminal, that is pin number 2. Voltage divider circuit which provides the voltage regarding the temperature to the inverting terminal of op-amp. Whereas here exactly middle of variable resistor 50%. Based on the output, the transistor is turning on and off. If the comparator output is high, that is transistor is saturation mode. At that time, the DC fan will be rotated. If the output of the comparator is low, the transistor is in cutoff mode. In the cutoff mode, there is no current flow through the transistor collector to emitter. At that simply the fan is off state. Inverting terminal voltage is high and non-inverting terminal voltage is low. Now when the temperature is increases, the resistance of thermistor decreases and the voltage at non-inverting terminal of op-amp become higher than the inverting terminal. So the op-amp output pin 1 will become high and transistor will be on. Now this condition of NPN transistor allows the fan to start. As the thermistor returns to the normal condition, the fan will be automatically turns off. VR is the variable resistor which is set at the 50% and its voltage is given to the non-inverting terminal, that is pin number 3. NTC thermistor will give a low resistance, then resistance goes on decreasing. So voltage at inverting terminal also goes on decreasing. Whenever voltage at inverting terminal is less than non-inverting terminal, at if happens when as V goes on increasing the temperature level. The voltage from the NTC thermistor as per the temperature, so output of operational amplifier is applied to the base of the transistor. So resistor R1. If operational amplifier gives the output higher, then only transistor Q1 gets on into saturation and DC fan gets also off. But if comparator output, that is the op-amp output, is low, then transistor goes into cutoff and fan will be remain off. So here are two conditions to compare this value by compare for IC-LM393, which is the operational amplifier acting as a comparator. If voltage at inverting terminal, that is pin number 2 of, now if this voltage is greater than non-inverting voltage, then we get low output which make transistor Q1 off, so fan also remains off. So this the operational of temperature control DC fan by using operational amplifier LM393. This will give us high output to transistor Q1 on and it make DC fan on. But when temperature level decreases, the resistance value goes on increases. This will increase the voltage at inverting terminal, that is pin number 2. Now if this voltage is greater than non-inverting voltage, then we get low output which makes transistor Q1 off, so fan also remains off. So this is the operational of temperature control DC fan by using operational amplifier LM393. So this simulation will be show the deferred as we are increasing the temperature value and comparator with compare this voltage from NTC thermistor with non-inverting voltage, and when becomes greater than with respect to inverting voltage, then only DC fan will start. That indicates as temperature increases and resistance decreases. So voltage at inverting terminal also decreases and fan will be start to rotate. The fan due to rising temperature. This is all about temperature control fan circuit. We will see advantages of temperature control fan using LM393. It is very easy to handle and economical. Fan start automatically. It can control the temperature manually. Automatic switching will save the energy for cooling heat dissipating device, and its installation is very easy. See applications. Temperature control fan is used to control the temperature device, room, electronic components, etc. Cooling fans for laptop and computer. This device used to cooling the car engine. Cooling pads in personal computers. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.